Good morning, everyone! Welcome to our writing tutorial. I will teach you how to write big and small letter D. Are you ready? Let's go! Letter D. D is for dog. Let's start with a capital D. Start at the top, draw a straight line down, go back to the top, and draw a curved line all the way to the bottom. Very good! Next, small letter D. At the middle, draw a curved line down to the bottom, back on the top, and draw a straight line down. Good job! Let's practice writing on paper using two-finger margin. You can do it, just follow me. Are you ready? Capital D, small d, two-finger margin, capital D, small d, two-finger margin. Excellent! You know how to write letter D. D is for dog. Dolphin. Duck. Now, let's read this short Bible verse. Start with the letter D. Delight thyself also in the Lord, and He shall give thee the desires of thine heart. Psalm 37, verse 4. Very good! Congratulations! See you on our next video. Have a nice day. Bye!